This is what space actually sounds like. First off, I'm sure everyone believes they can describe the sound of the Earth. Since we reside there, you will be startled when I show you what the sound of the Earth from space sounds like. Alright, next, I'm pretty sure we're all scared of one of these getting our Earth. But this is what a comet sounds like when it's flying through space.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. But this is what it sounds like when two black holes collide. That sounded so harmless. But finally, I'm about to show you what it sounds like when there's a lightning storm on Jupiter.